A jury awards both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard millions of dollars after finding them both guilty of defaming one another. In a decision on Wednesday, jurors found Johnny Depp and Amber Heard both guilty of defaming one another. The court determined that Heard had defamed Depp by describing herself as a victim of domestic abuse in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed, and they awarded Depp $15 million in damages. The jury concluded that Heard had spoken unfairly and with actual malice against her former spouse. It determined $5 million in punitive penalties and $10 million in compensatory damages. According to Virginia law, the case's manager, Judge Penny Ascaret, reduced the punitive damages to $350,000. A jury also convicted Depp guilty of defaming Heard after one of his lawyers said that Heard's claims of sexual assault were a hoax. $0 in punitive penalties and $2 million in compensatory damages were granted to Heard. In 2019, Depp sued Heard, claiming she had defamed him by framing herself as a victim of domestic violence in a December 2018 Washington Post op-ed. According to Depp, the true abuser in their relationship was Heard. At the time, his damages demand was $50 million. Heard filed a countersuit, claiming Depp had beaten her around a dozen times, often while under the influence of drink or narcotics. She sought damages of $100 million on Wednesday afternoon. After less than 3 days of deliberation and 6 weeks of trial evidence, the jury returned a judgment. At first, they failed to complete the damages parts of the judgment form, so Ascaret sent them back into the discussion chamber to fully complete the jury form. As to her statement, the damages must be at least $1 and up to whatever you feel the damages should be. The jurors returned a few minutes later with their verdict.